Hello, teacher and partner. My name is Marina Salazar. I'm going to talk about my topic of the task 2. Our heritage in the Colombian culture and recognized by United Nations Organization UNESCO, who has sought to preserve heritage work both cultural and natural, is archaeological zone of Tierra Dentro Cauca. This area is really wonderful for its big mountainous territory, flow rivers. Here there are abundant and varied vegetation and animals. This zone was inhabited by Paeses Indians that when arrived the Spanish conquistadors, they was opposing resistance to the invaders. The funeral rites of the Paeses Indians had two phases. First, they buried to the dead in cylindrical fossas in the ground, and then they were taken to the grave of their families according to their social status. These tombs are called hypogee. Its walls were decorated with parallel diamond-shaped white, red, and black line. It is quite interesting to know. A few years ago, I went to visit this place. I tried to use a photographic camera for graphic documents, but all pictures were ruined for the rain in this occasion. Bye, guys.